Welcome back, Rico Money Bags, the channel helping you invest in yourself so we can invest in the future. Let's talk about Duko. Obviously, you guys can see I got the chart right up. We're going to be talking about all-time highs. Be sure to stick around to the very end of this video. If you guys are new, make sure you guys subscribe and also make sure the bell notification is lit and take advantage of the Money Bags Mansion link down below in the description. If you would have got in there, which is free, always will be free, you would have got in super early on Duko. We are printing over here. We've been in Duko since way back over here. We're going to continue to do this. We're talking about all-time highs as far as Duko, but I want to address something why I'm so bullish on Duko, why I believe that this one will continue to pump, because obviously we're doing very well. We're at a $55 million market cap. We got $4.20 million in trading volume in the last 24 hours. Just created a new high, attacking the new high once again, which I do think it's going to take over. And I want to talk about something when it comes to Duko and kind of show you guys something. This one right here, it'll be OKX. I like this one. So let's like and retweet this. That's one of the thumbnails that I use. I mean, this is fire right here. And that's the reason about this video with Duko and why I believe it's going to keep pumping is because best gems today, top 10 by community votes. But we're going to be talking about exchanges really quick. Let's head over to Duko's website. We already did a deep dive on it. We've seen the roadmap. I've shown you guys the new website. It's up to date, but I want to show you guys something that's important. Duko is doing this without any major really big exchanges. Yes, we have Bitmart, which has an X on it, or this right here. I'm not sure what that means. Let's see. Let's highlight this. But it is on Bitmart, but we're still missing a lot of big other exchanges. That's why I'm bullish on this one. If you have been in the Money Bags Mansion, you guys should know that when I'm calling something out that's cruising around this market cap and I come and check out that the community has been strong, every Duko video that I have, and I'm going to do, let's do for this video as well. Let's try to get at least 100 likes, but we've been smashing it. I know that there's a lot of Duko community members on this channel because of every video, the way that you guys engage and, you know, go crazy in the comments. And you guys should go crazy on this video as well, because this is something that we should talk about. We are still missing quite a bit of exchanges. Gate.io, you know, we can joke about Binance. There's been so many listings left and right. You know, Solana is on fire, and what they care about is trading volume. So we got 8.2 trading volume in the last 24 hours. When this picks up like crazy, it's going to be undeniable that the other exchanges are going to pick up. You know, nonetheless, we're still attacking all-time highs when we look at the price, and that's without major listings. There's still so many listings to cover. But let's go over to the latest and greatest. Make sure you guys give Duko a follow at Duko Coin. Make sure the bell notification is lit. Make sure you guys come over here, like and retweet everything going on. This is, you know, a meme coin really shaking up the space, really turn up over here. We got everybody talking about Duko has been doing fantastic. We got memes back to back. You guys seen the video that I did comparing Duko to SHIB. So you guys go ahead and tap in on that video. But, you know, we got a engaging, thriving community that's super bullish on Duko, and I'm bullish on it. You know, we're doing very well on Duko, and we will continue to do very well on Duko, because obviously this is not financial advice. Anything can happen, but if you put in only what you're willing to lose and you don't care, you can set it and forget it. Set it and forget it. And then, you know, these prices really don't matter to you, because right now we're holding above this psychological barrier. It goes to $50 million market cap. Next is going to go all the way to the $100 million market cap. You know, these are the main parts, but really goes 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and so forth. But the main parts are, you know, that $50 million market cap, the $100 million market cap, the $150 million market cap, the $200 million market cap, and so forth. And we can see this to be true because where we moved this. And by the way, can we just say that what we put out here, yes, I gave us all three options. Let's scroll down a little bit. Yes, I gave us three options. Obviously, I said it could break down to this side, hold support. I didn't think that it was going to go that much lower. We didn't even go that much lower at all. We just had a breakout. But I did talk about this bull flag. I said, and if we didn't break out to the upside, we can consolidate sideways, but I still believe that Duko would go up. I said best case scenario would just be a breakout. And that's exactly what we have with us breaking out, coming back down, making a support. You can see the line right there. Let's move it to the side. Going up, coming back down, going right back up. Going up, coming back down, going right back up, because prior resistance becoming future support. This is what we got right here. This is what we're going to continue to do. This is what Duko is doing. I want you guys to pay attention to this, because this is going to be the next scenario. History is going to keep kind of repeating itself. Not exactly, but it's going to rhyme quite a bit. So Let's put this back over here because that just looks amazing. Shout out to the community going crazy. Our new all-time high is up here at the 6.2 mark, but really it's the 60 million. It's that next round number, right? So getting above the 55 million is super bullish. Right now we're cruising at the 54. We're almost at 54 million. Getting above 55, the next round number will be bullish, holding above that. But really our next target zone, if we're looking at it where we're going to be attacking, and obviously we just had a resistance right there. The same scenario over here, pay attention, this one's not going nowhere. It's going to happen again over here. Could it go lower? Yes, obviously anything can happen. We see that, you know, the markets are setting bear traps for everybody thinking that Bitcoin's going to go all the way back down, you know. So the markets are volatile. They do fluctuate. That's why it's not financial advice. But I do think in the long term that this one for sure is going to go test the hundreds of millions. And if the community stays strong and the team keeps doing what it's doing, it could go into the billions for sure. It's the cutest pet on Solana. So the same scenario is going to happen once again. We're holding the support. Let's talk about this. Let's talk about it. So a support right here. All this is good for us. All of this is good because this is a prior resistance. We have that right there where it let us know that, hey, we broke above and we're holding on to that and we're not going underneath that. And now we're going to continue to pump. The same thing's going to happen up here. So don't get shooken out, right? We're going to have this consolidation most likely to the right. You know, we'll check it on the lower time frames. We're on the 4 hour, but maybe some consolidation over to the right like so. Breaking back above, coming back down, pumping back up again. Or coming back down to these the lower channel and bouncing on this line right here, on this support. Coming back down and bouncing on this line, on this support level right here to go back up. Now let's layer the chart by the time frames and, you know, it'll kind of identify a little bit better what's going on. This is all in the short term. I mean, this really has the potential to really keep sending. The markets are hot for this. So, you know, this is for educational purpose. We're keeping, you know, logs of what's going on. You know, this is exciting times. Who wouldn't want to say, I remember when Duko was at 54 million. I remember watching the Rico Moneybags channel and I learned to load up my bag on supports so I didn't turn into a panic seller when I bought in on resistance and the price shot back down, because that's where panic sellers come from the lack of knowledge, because they're panicking because they don't know that the price is pulling back. This is all in the Moneybags mansion for free. So just tap in with me. You guys are going to get this. We got consolidation. Let's layer the time frame a little bit more. So there we go. This consolidation to the right. Go down to the 15-minute. So we can see this little channel right here, right? See right here holding on. But I just want to focus on these bigger ranges right now, because I do think that we're about to push hard right now. There's this little bear trap or whatnot happening with the overall markets, but we're about to pump right back up. And so is Duko. Duko's about to go back and test all-time highs and get above this line. So we got consolidation. Let's go down to the, let's just entertain it down to the 1 minute all the way. You know, making higher lows, holding pretty strong. There's a nice little trend line working its way up little by little back to that $60 million market cap. So getting above the 60 and holding above the $60 million market cap is Duko's goal. Can it go sideways for a little bit? Yes. Will it go down forever? I don't think so. I'm honestly going to tell you guys, the markets are so hot. Solana is so hot. Even with Bitcoin pulling back and kind of the rest of the markets getting a little bit volatile, Solana has not pulled back that far. That's why the meme coins associated to Solana are actually not feeling as much of the pain. Look at Duko still pumping as Bitcoin has pulled back, has ETH pulled back. Everything has pulled back, but Duko's still holding good. Solana's looking very well. We can see a pump, some buys coming in right now. Let's go to the lower time frame, see what's going on. Okay, so we got some consolidation. This is that support level above the $40 million market cap. You know, this is all good. Load up all this. That's all good. Loading up on here to feel little pumps like that, to know that you're doing it the right way. That's going to feel really good. I promise you that. Next would be getting above the $60 million market cap, making a support above that, you know, because prior resistance becoming future support to go ahead and attack all the way to the $100 million market cap. Let me know down in the comments. Do you think that this one should continue to be a money bag alert? And do you think that it's going to rise all the way to the $100 million market cap and beyond? I do believe that it can go into the hundreds of million market cap, 500 million, and potentially even $1 billion market cap. Anything can happen in these markets right now. Anything can happen with a very active community. $4 million in trading volume. I'm sure it's going to pick up as more investors start to come into the space. You guys help me get the word out there. Let's get this video to 100 likes. Share the video on TikTok, snip it, remix it, do whatever you guys like, and continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.